I'm Kiana Stevenson, and I'm the Outreach Coordinator here at Ready Harris. During a hurricane, the best plan of action is to stay where you are. Do not go outside and stay away from windows. Strong winds can turn ordinary objects into missiles. Also, be sure to listen to the radio and TV for any updates and keep your emergency kit close. Lastly, make sure to keep the phone lines clear by only calling 911 if you're in a life-threatening situation. Check out readyharris.org for more tips on hurricane season. Also, text Gulf 2021 to 888-777 for notifications throughout this hurricane season.